What is going on, guys? It is Bucky and welcome to your 12th intermediate Java tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to be going over some more collections methods, and I'm going to be talking specifically about the method addAll. And what you can do in this tutorial is take elements from one collection and add to another collection. Simple enough, but there's some little things you need to take note of. So the first thing we need to do is make sure you have everything imported from the class Java util. You only need like 4 things imported, but go ahead and import everything because might as well be lazy. And the first thing we need to do is create an array, and it's going to hold string data, and you can pretty much put anything in it. So go ahead and put let's add a little comment. Make sure your caps lock is undone. Convert stuff array to a list. Actually, I probably don't need comments for this, but oh well. And then go ahead and put string, and you can name your array anything you want. I'm going to name mine stuff, or you can, I'm probably going to be putting food in it. So let's go ahead and put like 4 or 5 things. It really doesn't matter. And I'm going to put apples for 1, and beef, and let's see what else pops into my head. Corn and ham. Try to make it all the same type of like I'm making mine all foods, and then I'll make my other array like all websites or something, and that's going to help view for this demonstration. So now we have an array created, and it's called stuff. Simple enough. And now what we need to do is take this array and convert it to a list. So the easiest way to do that is go ahead and put list. We're going to be casting string data into this, and I'm going to name it list1, and go ahead and set it equal to arrays.asList, and of course that's a built-in method from the arrays class, and as a parameter it takes what array do you want to convert into a list. So I name mine stuff, so I'll go ahead and pass stuff in there for the parameter. And now we have an array created, and we passed it in to view it as a list named the list1. So now, aside from this, since we need 2 lists or 2 collections for the demonstration, let's go ahead and create another list right now. And this is going to be an array list. Unlike the first one that's a list, this is going to be changing. And remember, an array has a certain size, but array list is dynamic. It can change size. So that's why I'm using the collection array list. And go ahead, and we're going to be putting string data into it, and might as well name it list2 for simplicity, and set this equal to new array list, and we need to put string in with empty parameters. And what we did now is we pretty much created another list, an array list, but it has nothing in it right now. So in order to add elements to an array list, go ahead and type the name of the list, and mine is list2, and then put add, and then as your argument you just put what you want to add to the list. So I said website, so let me put YouTube, and go ahead and just copy this. I don't feel like typing it again. Copy, and we'll add like 3 things to this. So put YouTube, Google, and Dig. Some of my 3 favorite websites right there. So what we have here is we have list 1, which is populated with apples, beef, corn, and ham, and we have list 2, which right now it has YouTube, Google, and Dig in it. So what we want to do is, first of all, let's just go ahead and print out list 2. So we'll make an enhanced for loop and put string x list2, and we'll go ahead and test this out just to see if it prints out first. So system out, we'll do print format since it's the easiest way. And for argument 0, just go ahead and put like %s, and then go ahead and pass x into here, and let's go ahead and see if this program works first. Run it. Okay. So right now it prints out list2, and this is the list we're going to be changing: YouTube, Google, Dig. So everything's going good so far. So go ahead, and after your for loop, what we want to do is we want to add elements from the stuff to the list2 array. So go ahead and put collections.addAll, and as your parameter, go ahead and put list2 and also stuff. And what this does right here is it takes all the elements from stuff and it adds it to list2. So let's go ahead and we'll print out a blank line. System out print line, and also copy this. So what we're going to be doing is we printed out list2, and then we're going to be adding all the stuff in stuff to list2, and just go ahead and print out a blank line and print it out again. So let's go ahead and run this and see how it worked. As you see, our original list was YouTube, Google, and Dig, and then we added this addAll method on it, and then we printed out a blank line for ease of viewing, and then now our new collection is this combined with this. So this is all the modified list2. So that's that for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're probably going over more collection methods. But like I said, that's it. That's all the time I have for now. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.